Once upon a time, long, long ago, before there were dinosaurs or even people, there was a giant cloud in space. This cloud was made of tiny bits called dust and little pieces called gas. It was like a cosmic cloud of magic, waiting to become something amazing. Then, something incredible happened. Can you imagine? There's a special force in space called gravity. It's like a giant magnet that pulls things together. Well, this force of gravity started to pull all the tiny dust and gas pieces closer and closer. They stuck together and started forming something special, a planet. Now, this isn't just a fairy tale, it's a real-life story. Scientists, who are like super detectives, discovered this secret. They even figured out that our planet, which we call Earth, is very, very old. It's older than your grandparents, older than your great-great-grandparents, and even older than the oldest person you can think of. They used a clever trick called radiometric dating to learn that Earth is about 4.5 billion years old. That's a super-duper big number. Let's take a journey together to explore this incredible planet, Earth. Imagine, we're like explorers on a fantastic adventure, discovering all its hidden secrets. Picture Earth as if it's a giant sandwich with 4 yummy layers. Number 1, crust. This is like the crispy bread on the outside of a sandwich. It's where we live. But it's not just one big piece, it's like a jigsaw puzzle, with parts that fit together. Some parts are thin like a cracker under the oceans, and some parts are thick like a pizza crust under continents. And guess what? It's where you find amazing things like tall mountains and deep valleys. Number 2, mantle. Right below the crust, there's something magical happening. Imagine a layer of hot, melted rock, kind of like gooey cheese on a pizza. Over a super-duper long time, this gooey rock slowly moves, like syrup. This layer is like Earth's engine, it helps move things around on our planet. Number 3, outer core. Now, imagine we're diving even deeper, like deep-sea explorers. We're in the layer that's hotter than a boiling pot of soup. It's made of liquid metal, like iron and nickel. This layer is like a chef's special stirring pot. It swirls around and creates something incredible, a magical force that surrounds our planet like a protective shield. We call it the magnetic field. Number 4, inner core. We've reached the heart of our planet, like a treasure buried deep down. It's super hot here, even hotter than a sizzling summer day. But guess what? It's not melted, it's solid. Imagine a glowing hot iron ball, right at the center of Earth. Now, let's go on an adventure, to discover Earth's secret puzzle pieces. Have you ever played with jigsaw puzzles? Well, Earth is like a puzzle too, but its pieces can move. We call this plate tectonics, and it's like Earth's way of rearranging itself. Here are some exciting clues we've found. Fit of the continents. A long, long time ago, it looked like some continents, like South America and Africa, were like best buddies because their coastlines fit together perfectly. Fossil evidence. Imagine finding a puzzle piece that doesn't quite fit anymore. That's what scientists found when they discovered similar fossils on continents that are now far apart. It's like a mystery from the past. Matching geology. Sometimes, the rocks and mountains on one continent match those on another continent. It's like finding two puzzle pieces that used to be joined together. These puzzle pieces move around, and when they do, they create all sorts of exciting things. Let's find out what these movements does in the next video. Until then, stay tuned, and please do like, share and subscribe to our channel if you find this video informative. Thank you.